Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 16th of June 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 16th of June 2021. Our first question is Krishna Nagar. Krishna Nagar is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, para badminton. Look at the image. This is Krishna Nagar and he is a para badminton player from Jaipur in Rajasthan, and he is in news recently because he has recently been allotted Paralympic Games quota place in men's single shot stature category by the Badminton World Federation. So answer will be option number 4. He is associated with para badminton. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the Election Commissioner of India? Answer is option number 2, Anup Chandra Pandey. Anup Chandra Pandey is a retired IAS officer from 1984 batch and he recently has been reappointed as the Election Commissioner of India. Anup Chandra Pandey also served as the Chief Secretary of Government of Uttar Pradesh in addition to serving as Infrastructure and Industrial Development Commissioner of Uttar Pradesh before retiring on 31st of August 2019. So answer will be option number 2, Anup Chandra Pandey. And Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India directly to ensure free and fair elections in the country. It was established on 25th of January 1950. Headquarters is in New Delhi and currently Chief Election Commissioner of India is Sushil Chandra. Next, who among the following has been recently reappointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI for the next 2 years? Answer is option number 1, M.K. Jain. Recently, M.K. Jain has been reappointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI for the next 2 years. He was appointed as Deputy Governor of RBI for 3 years in June 2018. In June 2018, and Government of India has extended the tenure of Deputy Governor M.K. Jain for 2 years with effects from June 22nd, 2021. So answer will be option number 1, M.K. Jain. And RBI, long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was established on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Shaktikant Das is the Governor of RBI. He is the 25th Governor of RBI. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Oceans Day? Answer is option number 2, 8th June. Every year 8th June is celebrated as World Oceans Day. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the crucial role the ocean plays in our lives and the important ways people can help protect it. So answer will be option number 2, 8th June. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently launched E100 pilot project in which of the following city? Answer is option number 1, Pune. Recently, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has launched the E100 pilot project in Pune to mark the World Environment Day on 5th of June 2021. The ambitious project aims to set up a network for production and distribution of ethanol across the nation. So answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following country has recently approved to import Covaxin from India? Answer is option number 3, Brazil. Recently, Brazil has given clearance to the proposal to import Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin into the country. According to the report, Brazil is expected to receive 4 million doses of Covaxin initially. After using the authorized doses, Brazil will analyze the data for monitoring the use of the vaccine in order to assess the next quantities to be imported. So answer will be option number 3, Brazil. Brazil, its capital is Brasilia. President is Jair Bolsonaro and currency of Brazil is Brazilian real. Next, RBI has recently imposed a fine of rupees 6 crore on Bank of India and Dash for contraventions of norms. Answer is option number 3, Punjab National Bank. RBI or Reserve Bank of India has recently imposed penalty of rupees 6 crore on Bank of India and Punjab National Bank for contravention of norms, including one related to frauds classification and reporting. The penalty of 4 crore has been imposed on Bank of India and 2 crore on Punjab National Bank. So answer will be option number 3, Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank was formed on 12th of April. On 12th of April 1894, headquarters is in New Delhi and currently MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank is S.S. Mallikarjun Rao. And Bank of India, it was formed on 7th of September 1906. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Atnu Kumar Das is the MD and CEO. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Brain Tumor Day? Answer is option number 3, 8th June. Every year 8th June is celebrated as World Brain Tumor Day. It is celebrated to spread awareness about the brain tumor among the general public. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, which of the following state government has recently launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan to make people aware about the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 1, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, the state government of Madhya Pradesh has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan to make people of the state aware of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. It translates to Free from Corona with the help of Youth Power campaign. On the instructions of Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the campaign has been launched by the Higher Education and the Technical Education Department of the state in collaboration with the Public Healthcare and Family Welfare Department. Madhya Pradesh, look at map. This is Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. Governor is Anandiben Patel and CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 14th June. Every year, 14th June is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day. It was organized for the first time in 2005 by a joint initiative of the World Health Organization, the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies to raise awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products and to thank blood donors for their voluntary life-saving gift of blood. So answer will be option number 3. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, who has been recently appointed as the new Director General of Assam Rifles? Answer is option number 1, Pradeep Kumar Chandan. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by OECD? Answer is option number 1, 9.9%. Which of the following state government has started Corona Mukt Gaon competition? Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. How many Indian universities secured position in the top 100 list in Times Higher Education Asia University Ranking 2021? Answer is option number 1, 3. What is current repo rate and reverse repo rate as announced by RBI recently? Answer is option number 1, 4% and 3.35%. Which of the following space agency has announced to send 2 new missions to Venus in order to examine the planet's atmosphere and geological features? Answer is option number 4, NASA. Second question was, which of the following institution has recently launched Bal Swaraj portal in view of growing problem related to children affected by COVID-19? Answer is option number 1, NCPCR. Now, eighth question was, which country has recently announced tax incentives for companies hiring transgender workers? Answer is option number 3, Bangladesh. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new voice of air staff by Indian Air Force? Answer is option number 4, Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Wipro has recently touched rupees 3 trillion in market capitalization for the first time and has become dash Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone. Answer is option number 3, third. 11th question was, which of the following state government has recently launched Knowledge Economy Mission? Answer is option number 1, Kerala. And 12th question was, who among the following has been recently elected as the member of International Dairy Federation? Answer is option number 4, Dr. Arya Sodhi. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to in the last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Milk Day? Answer is option number 3, 1st June. Every year 1st June is celebrated as World Milk Day. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World No Tobacco Day? Options are 29th May, 13th May, 31st May and 1st June. If you know answer of the question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.